Jammies and then towels.
Day 5 here in Japan. Dito na tayo ngayon sa dito na tayo ngayon sa Tokyo, and you can see the Tokyo bus. Yan. Ibang-iba yung Tokyo compared sa Osaka. Doon medyo chill lang dito. Nagmamadali ang mga first. Pero okay lang yun kasi syempre guys more on nag-office, ganyan, yung mga trabaho. So, let's wait for a train. Guys, there's been a change of plans. Hindi na kami tutuloy sa Mount Fuji. Sayang. Hindi ko madadala si Kaylan doon ngayon. Pero before nakapunta na kami to, here's our picture. Ayan. Kasi guys, yung next available na time is 12:45. And yung travel time doon is mga around 1 hour and a half. So dadating kami doon mga around 2:30. Lalakad pa and all that. So baka gabihin na kami pabalik. Traffic pa naman dito. So we decided na huwag na lang muna. Anyway, babalik pa naman tayo dito. We still have a lot of chance to visit Mount Fuji. Sayang nga lang kasi perfect sana yung weather at yung cloud coverage this day. Guys, yung Shibuya Sky, out of stock na din yung, sold out na din yung ticket for today. So, dito kami napunta kay Hachiko. Tingnan nyo naman ang pila kay Hachiko. That's the line. Para makapagpa-picture. Pwede pipila din tayo. Yan guys. Mabilis na naman. So, let's go! Woohoo! Let's cross the Shibuya crossing! Guys, so dito na nga tayo sa Shibuya, nag-iikot-ikot. Wala namang bukas na mga stores. 11 AM pa. So, paano yun? Ano tayo mamimili? Wow, gabi. Problema, no? Wow! Unto na tayo, babay. Say bata.
Say hi!
You said that. Very good. Ito guys, so whip soap. Perfect whip. Kaso lang pinipimpos ako dito, so hindi tayo kukuha niyan. We'll check yung ibang brand. Bioderma guys. A face mask. Purell na brand. Ayan siya. Okay guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa Shibuya. I'm going to eat gyoza. So we have beef soup here guys. So good guys. Okay. This one guys is good. Ano yung cheese ginagamit niya? Dole, so dali mag. This one is also good. This one is good. Dito sa cafe before going inside the Meiji Shrine.
Every time we have a chance to visit a temple and offer our prayers and wishes, hindi namin siya pinapalagpas. And here we are right now, offering our prayers and wishes and praying na sana matupad ito lahat.
Look. See? And it's made of yarn. Siya lang gumagawa. Ang galing. Really nice. Nice. So, namin, no? Natoblas yung Woody. Oh, wow. We bought donut. I don't know. Kailan eating fries? Here, what? Yeah.
Cha-cha! Bye, guys. You want my toy?
They're so cool. Let's try it if it's really good.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Same look para sa ginkaon ko sa McDo.
Where's my toy?
Ano lang? Ito ka sa mukha na, no? Hindi, ma'am. It's good. Marinate is soft. Yung kanyang dough. Ano yung feeling not too sweet? Hindi ko nga na makain kasi inubo ko. Guys, so pumunta tayo dito. Only to realize na wala na palang cats na binibenta. So we can't bring it home. So mag-wish na lang tayo dito. Hi guys, so we're buying some Fuji apples from a local shop. Namadaanan natin from Gokopoji. So, try natin yung apples na lang. Hi guys, so we're here na at the hotel. We're just waiting for food to arrive. Tapos, kakain na kami, then I'm gonna go to sleep. Because we are going to Disneyland.
Disneyland! Look my new toy!
Who gave you your toy, Bob?
Mommy!
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, you need to put 2 marbles.
Okay.
Right guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. See you tomorrow. Bye! This is just a quick room tour bago tayo umalis. So, here's our door. Pagpasok mo, to your left is the CR. Tapos, ganyan na siya guys. Ayan. So, maliit lang siya. And then, dito, hi! So, this one is yung box na binili namin sa Don Quijote kasi wala na kaming luggage. Dito namin nilagay yung pinamili namin. Nandyan. So, dito meron ka lang chair na maliit. Then, table na maliit as well. Doon, medyo meron ka doon desk or like lagayan ng mga gamit. So, ito guys, everyday they provide you new robe or parang jammies and then towels. My phone dyan, you can call them downstairs. Ito dito yung mga panluto. I mean panluto. I mean, panginit ng tubig, mga baso, ganyan. Then, ref na maliit. So, yan. Tapos dito, mayroong bedside table. May maliit na lamp for when you read at night. Yan. Yan siya. Tapos, ito na yung bed natin. May TV na maliit. Humidifier. Yan lang. Yan namin nilalagay yung luggage. So, yun na guys. Yung mga hotels kasi dito sa Tokyo, maliliit talaga sila as compared to sa Osaka. Meron ka pang option doon na medyo mas malaki. Dito maliit talaga. Unless, of course, you're gonna stay doon sa mga pinagsastayan ni Tita Small na mga super big talaga. Hi guys, it's our last day here in Japan. Initially, we planned na pumunta kami ng Tsukiji Market, Asakusa, and then we're going to Shibuya Sky, and our last stop is at Ginza. Pero nung kaninang around 4 AM guys. So magtitim siya ni Kaylan. Parang hindi ata siya natunawan sa ramen na kinain niya kagabi. So, yun, ayun na siya. Pero okay na siya ngayon guys. Thank you Lord. At okay na si Kaylan. Yun lang naman. And bonus kasi nakaalis pa kami today. Ayan siya. Kaylan, how many gachapons are you gonna get? How many gachapons are you gonna get? Huh? Okay. How many gachapons are you gonna get? 2 and
1 treasure.
1 treasure. Yay! Ganda na ng smile niya guys. Kanina, sabi niya, I'm not okay. Twinning dapat kami tatlo. Gray. I'm wearing gray too. Pero ayun si Kaylan. Hi! Hi, Nonoy!
Oh, what's this? Are you gonna get yeah?
This is a dream.
You want like that?
Oh.
Oh.
Don't be scared, silly. Oh, there's 2 trains. Look. Don't feel cold?
Ba't ka ba?
Done with Shibuya Sky, guys. We are looking now for a place to eat lunch. And kahit saan ka pumunta, may pila. Anyway, here's our picture. I'll show it to you later.